And good day, traders. Welcome to the Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading room Friday, January 14th. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had like 7 trades today. We had no losers. One was a break even. It was actually a small profit or a break even. I'm calling it a break even because it didn't go minimum of 15 or 20 ticks in the NASDAQ. It went like 12 or 13, but certainly somebody could add one contract and made 10 ticks, but we're going to call that one a break even. We had 6 winners. And I'm going to run through everything from left to right. We'll start with the ES. In the ES, we had a long here at 10:21 Eastern Standard Time, 10:21 Eastern Standard Time. And that was at 46.52 quarter, 46.52 quarter. I told everybody it should go to 55.50. So, which is exactly what it did to the tick. We had a target there. And that one made us up to 3 points very quickly. When it failed at that level, it came back down. We then got short in the ES, and that was, we got short on the 1039 candle, and that was at 46.3150, and that made up to 3 points as well, It did go lower here, but it wicked up over here. So 3 points just straight on that initial push down move. So there's a couple 3-point trades in the ES, which were nice. NASDAQ is where we really shined today. In the NASDAQ, we did pretty good today in the NASDAQ. We got long at 35.50 on the 954 candle. That trade went up to about 47-ish. We got about 45 ticks on that trade. Again, pretty quick. It kind of bounced around there. So we move our stop up here when it got more than 40 or 45 ticks, then went on to hit our target area. We had a major exhaustion, at 950s, or I'm sorry, 590s, 15,590. We proceeded to short 15,590 on the exhaustion, and told everybody it should at least come down to 71, 72, which is almost 80 ticks. And it could come much lower, which it did. So you'll see once it got going here, it came back up to the 90. It went all the way down from 590, hit all of our targets, all the way down to flat. I mean, it literally went down 100 points, just a sicko trade. And then for those who were out of it already, or they wanted an add-on, but most people were out at that point, we then shorted on the 906 candle. And we made about 20 ticks on that. One was at 90, and that went down to 80. It filled us at 20 ticks, went to 84 or so. So it was another 20 ticks there. Of course, you're going to move your stop down to get into a risk-free trade and lock in profits at 15 or 20 ticks, which is what we do. And it's about the maximum you would have made. But from up here, 100 points. So it was just a sicko opportunity. And then again, here we shorted it on the 1039 candle. And that we shorted that on the 1039 candle at 15,481.75, and that went all the way down over 80 ticks. Just again on the initial push, it did bounce around here and go down a little bit more, but just on the initial push, 80 ticks. And that was a great trade as well. So just an unbelievable day, unbelievable way to end the week. And we are going to come back on Tuesday. Monday's a holiday. We're going to come back on Tuesday, and we're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial at www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, traders.